Hello, students. We were studying prepositions and we had seen that preposition is a word which tells us the relation between the subject and the object, or in simple words, we can say between two nouns. Here we had also seen that sometimes a word is a preposition when it governs a noun or a pronoun, but it is an adverb when it is not governing a noun or a pronoun. We have already seen the five above sentences where the same word, which seems to be a preposition, is sometimes used as an adverb and sometimes as a preposition. It only depends upon the noun which which is following the preposition, that is object of preposition. Let us study further what has been given. There are a few other sentences also which helps us understand it better, that sometimes the same word is used as an adverb and sometimes as a preposition. I could not come before. There is no noun following it. That is why it is an adverb. I came the day before yesterday. So, before is a preposition and yesterday is a noun. The wheel came off. The wheel came off. There is a noun, there's a subject, but there is no object here. And that is why it is an adverb. The driver jumped off the car. So after off, we have the object, the noun, and that is why it is the preposition. Let us move on. Adverb. The book lies on the table. Move on doesn't have an object. The book lies on the table. So after on, we find there is a noun. Take this parcel over to the post office. After over and to, we have the post office, which is a noun here. Take this parcel over to the post office. But the problem here is that over is a preposition, but after that there is to also. Over to the post office. Let us see this sentence. He rules over a vast empire. This vast empire, vast is an adjective, empire is a noun, is actually showing the relation of where this man rules. It is a preposition here, but the same sentence here, take this parcel over to the post office. Here, over to the post office seems to be an object of the sentence, but here it is still acting as an adverb. I have not seen him since. So this is simple here as there is no noun following. I have not slept since yesterday. So after since it is yesterday, that is a noun. Work in pairs and decide which of the words in italics are adverbs and which prepositions. Let us see which are the verbs, which are adverbs and which are prepositions. After a month, he returned. So here, what is it? Try to find, complete this table and we are going to discuss. After a month, he returned. After a month. So it is confusing because there is a preposition here, then we can consider a month to be the object of the sentence or not. Whether it is object or subject, that is what you have to think. Let us move on. Is very easy. We already know there's no subject. He is feared by all below him. Very easy here. It is very clear that it is a preposition because him is following below. He looked at the sky above. So again we see that the sky above, that is above is an adverb because there is no noun that is following. She arrived soon after. Again, after is there written without a noun. The book lies on the table. On the table. So it is preposition. Come down below. So it is an adverb. Below is an adverb. He was only a yard off me. After of a noun is there, so it is preposition. Name the prepositions in the following sentences and mention the word which each governs. So name the prepositions and mention the word which each governs. You have to tell the preposition and the object. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. So in is a preposition and the noun is corner, or the word which it governs is corner. Old Mother Hubbard, she went to the cupboard. So after to, that is a preposition, the cupboard is the governing noun. The lion and the unicorn fought for the crown. For what? The crown. So we have the noun here. Such a number of rooks came over her head. Over is a preposition and her head is there acting as a noun which governs. John Gilpin was a citizen of credit and renown. So, of credit and renown. Of is preposition, credit and renown are the nouns which are governing it. Into the street the piper slept. Into the street, where into is the preposition, the street. The street is the noun which it is governing. Mine to be a cot beside the hill. Mine be a cot beside the hill. So, be a cot beside. Beside is a preposition telling the position, and the noun which is governing is the hill. Around my ivied porch shall spring each fragrant flower that drinks the word is not seen, that drinks the, okay, whatever it is, let us see. Around my ivied porch shall spring each fragrant flower that drinks the, okay, so around is the preposition that is here, and what it is governed by, my ivied porch. So we can see it is a preposition. One crowded hour of glorious life. One crowded hour of, what is of? A preposition. Glorious life is here again, the noun governing it is worth an age without a name. So without is a preposition and name is the noun. I tried to reason him out of his fears. I tried to reason him out of his fears. So I tried to reason him. To is preposition. Reason is noun here. Out of. Again, there is one more preposition of, and it is governed by his fears. So his fears is the noun here. This is the part of prepositions that we are going to discuss today. Students, please try to do these sentences today, and remaining part of the chapter we are going to do tomorrow.